In this video, I will show you how you can stop your iPad's battery from draining so fast. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Battery. Over here, just scroll down and look for the option for Low Power Mode. Now just enable the toggle for Low Power Mode. And after you do that, your iPad will prioritize the battery life over the performance of your iPad. And after you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, but this time just tap on Display and Brightness. Over here, just select Dark Mode, and after you enable Dark Mode, then in the main settings page, just tap on Accessibility, and under Accessibility, just tap on Display and Text Size. Now just scroll down to the bottom of the page and enable the toggle for Auto Brightness. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page and tap on Privacy and Security. Over here, just tap on Location Services, then disable the toggle for Location Services. Now, just select Turn Off. Now after that, just go back and tap on Tracking. Now just disable the toggle for tracking. Now just select Ask App Not to Track. Now after you've done that, now just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then this could be a software issue. For that, just go to Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad. And after you do that, you will fix any software glitches which might be causing the battery draining issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.